Go ahead. Fan feels nice, doesn't it?
Welcome to Goofy Skies.
Ha ha ha, no.
Now, to have a safe flight, you gotta stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the plane. Remember to keep an eye on your kids, and if you have any loose items, be sure to put them in a safe place, because this is gonna be one wild flight.
Yeah, I gotta put on the show. What? Yeah, like.
I didn't even put my bag in the bag.
Oh boy, where is it?
Right there.
Oh, good luck with that. Whoa. Wow. Whoa, jeez. Oh boy. Wow, shoot. Whoa, oh my god.
Come here, come on here.
Yeah, oh. Oh, my legs. Oh my gosh. The flipping legs. My freaking legs.
My leg.
My leg. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, okay. This is not a steep one, right? No, it's a steep one. Okay. Oh god.
Oh my god. I feel like
Oh my god. Oh, someone lost their hat. Wait.
Break.
Sorry. Oh, Jesus. Wow. This ride is trying to kill us. Holy moly. Boy. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Hey, graduates, remember, if you ever forget how to fly, just wing it.
Oh my god.
Now, please stay in your seat till you're given the okay from our ground crew. Then lift up the lap bar and step on out to your left.
This is Whiplash, the ride. Holy moly.
So you can't go again?
No. When I asked to go again?
No.
We're gonna fly off the ride if he has to go again.
Oh, we gotta go another way. We have another way.
We can also go again though.
Hey guys, if you go be in line, you want to go again?
Yeah, sure.
Sure, we'll go again. Okay. Okay, well, round two, thank you. I'm not gonna lock the I think the reason why my legs hurt is because I put it all the way down, man. I locked it the same place. Oh my god.
Are you gonna have it?
Oh no, I'm good. I got right one notch above. Never mind. Hi.
Check out my channel. Vids.
No, stop. Okay, here we go. Time to die. Oh boy.
Round two.
Round two. Oh. Why do we do this to ourselves?
It's a once in a lifetime experience.
Can I touch this? Oh yeah, I might touch it. Why? Okay. Ah! Okay. Okay. Oh, jeez.
Oh, it feels so good.
Oh. Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh,
I
jeez.
hate this one.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, whoa, whoa. What? Oh, no. No. Oh, sorry. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Oh.
This I love about.
Oh. Oh. Wait.
Oh, no, no.
Oh, the brakes right there. Oh, God. Oh, God. Wait.
Congratulations! You learned to fly the goofy way!
Oh, my gosh. Okay. Another brakes.
Now, please stay in your seat till you're given the okay from the ground crew.
Jeez.
Then lift up the lap bar and
Right
step
there?
on out to your
No
left.
brakes.
Okay, that's it, no more.
No more. I'm getting a headache if I go anymore. Oh, wow. That was an experience. Okay, no more. No more.
Winner.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, boy. Have a nice day. Yeah, you too. Oh, is my phone? I didn't break my phone? Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh. I felt like my phone cracked in my pocket because I was literally pushing against it so hard. Oh,
I didn't break it.
yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, let's take a break.
I know.
A little break.